This is the first hospital I've ever had where I felt like they were a part of my family and they wanted me to be well. Not that everyone doesn't want you to be well, but they took it a step further than just being professional. They thought of me as if it was their mommy or their sister lying in bed, and that's how I felt like I was cared for.
I've never experienced that before in any setting like this here. It's usually always just business, you know. And there was a human side, very much so here, and that I truly appreciated.
When I walked in the door, they called me by name. It was an individual, not just a patient. They made sure I was comfortable. And a lot of times they would ask me how I'm doing, and they would genuinely want to know how I was doing. It wasn't just saying, well, how are you today? And, expecting, oh, I feel good or whatever. They really wanted to know how I was doing.
I would absolutely recommend Brookings Health System to anyone for any procedure, for any reason. But I'll tell you the reason why is because you feel like a person here. You feel like they care about you and how you're doing, and it's not about you being a patient. It's not about, we're trying to make money off of you, or you're just a number, or anything like that. They genuinely want you to have the best experience that you can possibly have, especially in the OB. It's a whole sort of a really holistic experience. But also they just genuinely care about making you as healthy as you can be.
Just look around you. It's so homey and comfortable. Each neighborhood has their own kitchen, fireplace, large screen TVs. They're decorated beautifully, and it's just like home is basically what it is. It's like home.
And to find that after all these years was just such a pleasant surprise, and it was almost like having a home experience in the hospital.
I would recommend Brookings Health System, especially if you're someone who values relationships and getting to know your care providers and feeling like they're taking care of you like you're one of their own family. I would definitely recommend Brookings Health System.